In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the compiling shaders issue in Marvel Rivals. It's pretty easy to fix, so try not to skip any steps. The first thing you want to do is open Steam, navigate to Steam Settings, top left, Steam, then Settings. Then from here, go to Downloads and scroll down until you see shader pre-caching, and you want to turn off shader pre-caching. And after you've done that, if you're on NVIDIA, go to NVIDIA Control Panel, and from here, go to Manage 3D Settings, scroll down until you see Set Shader Cache Size right here. Now, what you're gonna want to do is turn this off, so set this as Disable, then restart your computer. Then after you've done that, open up, see users, your user profile, app data. By default, you have to, this is a hidden file, so you have to click view, show hidden items, click app data, local low, NVIDIA, per driver version, DX cache. And here, delete this folder. Then after you've done that, go back to here, set this as enabled, and set this to at least 10 gigabytes, ideally 100 gigabytes if you have it, and then hit apply. And apparently this fixes the issue for many people. And the last thing you want to do is, if the game is on a hard drive, move it to an SSD. This does seem to fix the issue for some people. And that is it. That is how you solve the shader compiling issue.